Keeney, the leader in plumbing solutions, is proud to present its new line of stylish and affordable shower heads and accessories, designed to quickly and easily fit into your home and put the finishing touch on any project. The Stylewise product line comes in an assortment of finishes and styles to upgrade your bathroom. With Stylewise, you can find the setup that fits your need. Whether it's a standalone shower head, a handheld unit, or both, you can count on Stylewise. Further your showering experience by choosing from models with a variety of spray options, from the gentle spray of our rainfall showers to our 3- and 5-function shower heads. Shower time can feel like a day at the spa. With our easy install design, upgrading your bathroom's look and performance has never been so effortless. All Stylewise shower heads are designed to be eco-friendly with pressure-enhancing, flow-reducing technology to deliver the same showering experience you're used to. Environmentally friendly, water-saving pressure-enhancing technology reduces your water bill. The Stylewise line also offers an array of accessories to further bathroom customization and installation ease. From slide bar kits to adjustable shower arms and hoses, Stylewise by Keeney provides the function you need with the style you want. For more information, visit our website at KeeneyMFG.com.